Oh, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lacey Atkins here as always, and I'm back with a bang and another Gele tutorial. So today is an advance of a previous tutorial I have done. You get your Gele, you split it into 50-50, and then you fold them over each other like rolls. You fold them up. You need an elastic band for this Gele, for this style, and make sure you get the color that is close to the Gele, so it does not show or it's not obvious once you're tying your Gele. So once you have that done, I am just checking to make sure the sides are, touching each other, and then here I grab hold of just one side. I pull it down a bit, and then I start to make my pleats, because this time around I actually do want pleats on the front of my Gele. So I start making my pleats on one side, and I do the same on the other side. So keep watching. So once I have achieved that pleat on that side, I then placed it on my head, right, and then I just try my best to make sure it's straight, as you can see, and the pleat is sort of already there, if you see what I mean. And then I just go around to the back and I tie it. I just come around to the front, adjust it, make sure it's nice and flat, nice and neat. Bring out some more of the Gele so the pleats are showing, because I do want pleats on this one. Just make sure it's right now nice and neat, and then I tie my Gele. So I only tied it once, and then make sure your Gele is nice and secure. And then I get the remaining of the Gele and I twist it, and I grab a pin to secure it in place. Remember, this Gele, it don't move. It don't move because it's secured, and that's on period. So make sure you secure your Gele well. And then I get the other side and I do the same thing. I just twist, 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 and I pin it right behind my folds. Just get my pin and secure it in place. This Gele don't move, it don't move, this Gele, because it's secured. Like my bags. And then I just grab the folds and twist it, and I pin it down on both sides. You see how nice, neat, unique it looks. Remember, this is a quick and easy Gele that you can tie on yourself. Yes, you can tie on yourself. And then I get my pins and secure it to make sure it stays in place. Don't want no Gele moving around, you know what I'm saying? So I get that and I move it. Not move it, I secure it with my pin. And that is it. And that's all, everyone. It's done, nice. I move it to the side. For some reason, I actually do love my Geles on the side. Like, once I've done a design on the top, I like it to be on the side. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lacey Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Time to take some pictures. Look at me, I'm feeling myself.
let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know